Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event game of the evening for your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Delta Cup semifinals round in the 19 under division. One last seat remains as we are live here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. As we can see, Coach Totoy Marquez, Andre Doy Dungo, and Daniel Pineda, the rest of the Pampanga Delta Pradera. As we can see also, Ma'am Brenda Castellano and Ma'am Badet Mariano nandito. Ma'am Badet Mariano on your screens. Boss Primo Caluyo din, nakikita natin Mayor June Tetanco and the rest of the officials ng Apalit Pampanga ready na. As we can see Ma'am Brenda Castellano on your screens. We have a lot of VIPs here in attendance dito sa loob ng ating arena. Of course, again, Ma'am Badet Mariano also here. Looking forward to this ball game nga. As we can see, the representatives of Washington, D.C., ang Familia Washington, D.C., getting ready to book their ticket and face off against Lakas, California. But standing in their way is the Diamond himself, George Tibos Diamante, and the rest of Apalit I Love It. Sweet muna sila ni Moore Prince Alo doon, as that is our game at hand between Apalit I Love It and Familia DC. Isang magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga kasinag na nakatutok from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at iba't ibang bansa na bumubuo ng Asia at may pagat pangapon po sa lahat ng mga kabalin na nandito sa loob ng Brendiao. Kami po ang inyong mga kasama, the Chief and the Wise Man, Enzo Galarosa. Together with me is the Wise Man himself, Coach Pancho Alfonso. Coach Pancho, magandang gabi sa'yo. And one last seat remains. What can you tell us about this ball game?
Yes, first of all, magandang gabi sa'yo, Enzo, and good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of our basketball fans watching the SLA Junior World Showcase from all around the world, from different time zones. Very exciting ball game because one last seat, yun na lang inaantay dito. Ang mananalo dito, Enzo, makakalaban ng Lakas, California, na nanalo kanina.
That is right, Coach Pancho. One last seat remains sa ating final spot dahil puno na nga po lahat ng bracket, and syempre makasama natin on the sidelines ang literal na one less lonely girl natin na si Francine Capili. Francine, kamusta ka dyan?
Well, pagat pa na po Enzo and Coach Pancho. I am doing very good as I always do in Pampanga, and also very excited because for our main event, we have the crowd favorite of Palit I Love It versus the Familia, Washington DC for our last game of the semifinals, and I will still be your one less lonely girl on the sidelines. So back to you, Enzo and Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Francine. We will hear more from our one less lonely girl on the sidelines kasi Francine sa mga stories niya as the games goes on. But syempre mga kasinag, tutok lang po kayo sa aming Facebook and Instagram at Sinag Liga Asia for more updates and watch our live games. And syempre subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok at Sinag Liga TV dahil nga one last game, one last seat remains sa ating finals. And let's take a look, Coach Pancho, sa ating team standings. Paano ba sila napunta rito?
Yes, these are the team standings of 19 under and Apalit I Love It. Wow, they swept the eliminations dun sa Group B and kaya makakalaban nila ngayon yung Familia DC which is the rank 2 dun sa 19 under A. So Apalit I Love It and Familia DC will battle each other to face the Lakas California who won kanina, who booked the first ticket to the finals of this 19 under division.
Tama dyan, Coach Pancho. Very, very exciting ball game for the last seat remaining sa ating Junior World Showcase 19 under division. Yun na lang po. Isang upuan na lang natitira. Nag-aabang na ang Lakas California. Aarangkada ba ang Palit I Love It? Or will Familia DC book an international matchup? Malalaman po natin yan kasi coming up, it's the battle between Palit I Love It kontra Familia DC. To introduce our starters of the game, let's turn it over to Ram Valid.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we start the tip-off, we would like to grab this opportunity to acknowledge and congratulate two great athletes who are present here today at the Sinag Liga Asia World Showcase. First, we have the national team 18 under, a bronze medal Princess Cup, a valuable setter of the UST Lady Tigresses. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to acknowledge and congratulate Andessa Dale Santos. And of course, the #1 PBA drop pick of 2024, our very own Justin Balti Baltazar. We're going to play for the Converge Fiber Xers. Congratulations. And good evening once again, SLA fans, and we're coming to you live inside the Brensiga Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga, Philippines. Welcome to Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase, presented to you by SLA and Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and Royce Casino and Hotel. We are also live at the Sinag Liga Asia official FB page and YouTube channel. And of course at the Sinag Liga Asia TV. This is our last game for the day 4 of the competition. It's the battle between Familia DZ and your Apalit I Lover. And now let's meet the starting 5 of both teams. First, for your Familia DZ.
Familia DC.
Starting at guard, #1, Larian Latoga. Also at guard, #7, Anthony Pineda. At forward #15, Kyle Zunga. Also at forward #8, J. Ron Buolano. And center #22, Dale Mendrozo. Head coach for Familia DC is Mike Pineda, assisted by Jay Buholano, Raymond Latoga, and Jason Olivares.
Familia DC.
Your Familia DZ.
Familia DC.
And now let's meet the starting 5 of your Apalit I Lover. Starting at guard #11, Moore Allo. Also at guard #9, Elijah Yuzi. Small forward #2, Ashton Nobilio. Also forward #6, Jamir Elegado. And center number 24, Gio Diamante. Apalit I Love It is led by Coach Jay Shera. Assistant coaches, Encho Serrano. Per Gardner, Justin Baldi Balbazar, Robert Pereira, and Edgar Pigol. Team manager, Mr. John Titanco. Team owner, Mayor June Titanco. Your Apalit I Love It. Game officials charged in action. Anthony Galotera, John Banayat, and Jess Boras. Ito,
And here are your Sinag starters of the game for Familia Washington DC. This time with Sunga, Buhulano, Medroso, Latoga, and Pineda. Para naman dito sa Apalit I Love It. They start with UC, Novillo, Eligado, Alaw, and the Diamond, George Diamante. For the final seat of the finals, it will go to the winner of these two teams. Jump ball natin. First possession goes over to Apalit I Love It, and UC, the hometown hero dito sa San Fernando, scores the first 2 points.
Yes, it just took 3 seconds for Elijah UC to score the first basket of this ball game.
Fastest bucket dito sa Sinag Liga Asia history, Coach Pancho. UC, the pride of San Fernando, the new Arellano Brave, has a steal here by Diamante.
Yeah, the smiling George Diamante right here. You know, he's so excited right here to play and bring this Apalit I Love It to the finals of this 19 under SLA Junior World Showcase.
You
The cup.
You can make a compilation of Diamante doing that, no, Coach Pancho. Nakangiti, and each time, he has the same face, di ba? As Diamante, kick ball there. And you can see the size difference, Coach Pancho. It's just Medroso lang yung talagang matangkad sa floor.
That's right. And tingnan mo yung Apalit I Love It, yung defensive formation nila. Once na makakuha sila ng bola, alam mo na gagawin. They would run.
As a missed shot there from the corner for Pineda. Tumatakbo. Ito mga nakaputi. Moore cross court to Diamante. George. That's a traveling violation whistled here on Diamante.
Yes. A great defensive stance right here by Dale Medroso. Talagang kinuha niya yung space, yung driving space doon ni George Diamante.
2 early turnovers agad for Diamante. Latoga. Gives it over dito kay Pineda. Back to Latoga. Medroso, free throw line jumper off the mark. Diamante turns it over ulit. And Pineda puts it up and in for the first 2 points for Familia Washington DC.
Yes. Anthony Pineda scoring the first basket for Familia DC.
Alaw, who's not 100% today, Coach Pancho.
Oh.
Playing under the weather. Itong si Moore. As he goes up. Jumper off the mark. Diamante with a rebound. And look at that. They're double teaming George Diamante every time he has the basketball.
Yes, that's the way you defend George Diamante. Don't allow him to dribble the ball. Kasi pag nag-dribble si George mataas, and the pesky guards of Familia DC knows what they're doing. And again, na-scout na nila yung isa't isa. So yun yung maganda rito. Yun yung interesting dito sa matchup natin.
Totoo. As may call-out na kanina from Lakas, California. They want Apalit daw. As an offensive rebound and putback for Eligado. Parang yung call-out na yun ng Lakas, California. Gaganahan para yung kupunan eh. Parang for Apalit, kino-call-out nyo kami. Tapos for Familia Washington DC naman, parang, pati hindi mo kami kino-call-out, di ba? Parang ganun.
And Jameer Eligado is one of the 4 players who scored double figures nung laban nila against Luidwan Kapampangan. That's how talented, deadly this Apalit I Love It lineup is.
Totoo. Offensive rebound and putback para dito kay Jaron Buhulano.
Yes. Again, they know that they have a height disadvantage here, pero yun, sinisipagan nila eh. Kaya tama yung mga small forwards, small guards dito ng Familia DC, nakakakuha pa rin ng rebound. And ito, si Pineda, nakakuha na naman ng steal.
Yes. Great read there by Pineda. Nako-cross court ni UC yun. Buhulano attacks. Good pass! What a pass to Sunga!
The defense of the Apalit I Love It was caught ball watching that time. So, ang ganda ng communication between the players of Familia DC.
And that made Coach Encho Serrano, Assistant Coach Encho Serrano, stand up to bark some orders. Of course, Encho Serrano ay Pampanga Giant Lantern player. Now, The assistant coach for Apalit. I love it. Tumatakbo ang Familia DC.
3-on-2 break.
Oh! And that's why, Coach Pancho, di ba, kayong mga coaches, you always say, mga big men should pass the ball agad to guards pag nasa fast break.
Yes, kasi babalik din naman sa kanila yung bola. Depende.
Parang gusto sa ata gawin ni Medroso yung ginagawa ni Diamante, no?
They-
Unless you have the skill to do it, di ba? You're not allowed to. Hindi naman dapat gawin.
Oh, they got too excited. And Familia DC is maybe feeling the pressure right now. Kasi syempre, alam nila na home court advantage dito for Apalit. I love it. And yung crowd, di ba?
Yes.
Oh,
As Diamante underneath. Good pass by Elizado. Eligado, should I say. And Diamante gets fouled.
yes. Dito talaga makakarami si George Diamante sa rebounding department. And in fact, nung last NCAA stint niya as a Letran squares, talagang double-double numbers yung binibigay niya. I mean, yung doubles na rebounding is 14, 15 to 18 rebounds per game.
Yes.
And he's the tallest player in this lineup right now.
Totoo.
And on the floor, most especially.
Was he the defensive player of the year sa juniors?
I think so.
I think, di ba? Kasi according to sa nakita ko kanina, only him and Raymond Almazan for the juniors ng Letran Squires history ang nakakuha ng Mythical 5 and Defensive Player of the Year in the same season, di ba? He's an elite company, di ba? Raymond Almazan yung kasama niya. As Alaw collects the pass from UC. They give it to the cutting Eligado, and that's a clear foul.
Yes, as we mentioned earlier on the game, di ba, itong si Moore Prince Alaw is actually under the weather. He's not 100% dahil may lagnat, may sakit, pero he decided to show up. Ang mapapala dito ng Apalit I love it is yung yung leadership niya.
Yes.
And kita mo naman, he's a great facilitator. In fact, he's the leading assist man dito for Apalit I love it, averaging 5 assists per ball game.
Totoo. Kita mo, Diamante swings it to Ashton, to UC. I thought that would be an Arellano Brave connection. Oh, UC with a no look. And George, ayaw pa rin. UC's tap, wala rin.
Sayang yun, ha?
Pineda on the run. Pull-up jumper off the market. Eligado taps it over to Moore.
Oo.
Diamante on the run. For sure, di natin nakita pero nakangiti yun.
It's a clear mismatch dito. And George Diamante, although he's a big man, he's a versatile big man. He has the handles. He can bring the ball down the court and finish it.
And actually, this is interesting, Coach Pancho, ha? George Diamante is playing for Apalit. I love it. Boss Primo Caluyo, former player niya to si George
Yes.
Diamante sa Max Ballers of Davao. And nandito in attendance si Boss Primo, di ba?
Yes, yun nga. Actually, yung grupo ni Boss Primo, nakalaban nga namin sila, di ba? Yung
Oo.
binanggit mo?
Eh, di ba yung kwento dyan was, nag-tune up sila Coach Allen Ricardo in the square sa Davao, kalaban ng Max Ballers. Doon nila na-discover si George Diamante. So I believe all smiles din siguro si Boss Primo, no? Seeing his former player.
Oo,
Diba?
and kaya naman pala all smiles din si George Diamante, even while playing.
Kahit naman nata, wala eh. And, sa laro may makulit yan si George sa laro, pero in person, outside of basketball, napakatahimik na tao niya ni George.
And Elijah UC.
Oh,
With a short corner jumper right there, this guy knows how to attack the closeout because alam din ng Familia DC. Siyempre na-scout na rin siya eh.
yes.
Na he's a dead shot man dito, especially from the outside. But, you know, that's how intelligent this player is. Itong si Elijah UC.
Si Mr. Sexy shot to bring. Oh! I thought Diamante would collect it for a dunk.
Pero tingnan mo yung transition defense ng Familia DC, always there. Kasi alam nilang tatakbuhan sila din dito ng Apalit I love it eh.
Yes, as Alaw misfires. And Familia, Washington DC
Look
on
at
the
that,
run.
5-on-2, Enzo.
Yes, and Latoga gets the left to go. And kita mo, sprint back agad.
Yes. Kita mo naman, disiplinado yung mga players dito ni Coach Mike Pineda. Hindi malima yung natakbo sa fast break play, ha?
Diamante just collecting the board there.
Yes, that's the right thing to do. After they scored the basket earlier, sprint back. Yun yung ginawa nila. Look at this, 5 red shirts.
Ang ating lakas fast break of the quarter brought to you by Hotel Sogo. So clean, so good, so safe. BA Hotel Sogo VIP member, just text HSVIP reg to 888.
Yun.
Kabisado pa rin.
Kaya pala, punong-puno ka ng energy ngayon, Enzo.
May familiar eh. It's a familiar ano eh. Familiar ano sa akin yun eh. More with a rebound and Ito ang concern ko, Coach Pancho, dito for Apalit. I love it. They're turning the ball over a lot. This start reminds me of that 23 under finals natin between Hustle and Pampanga Delta. Diba? So Apalit, they cannot be overconfident in this ball game kasi they can get hit in the chin.
Yes, especially
Diba?
this, itong Familia DC. Ito, of course, itong Familia DC is ranked number 2 dun sa Group A.
Yes.
Isang beses lang sila natalo. So, kaya nga sila nandito sa semifinals eh. Hindi basta-basta to. And then, Apalit I Love It, syempre, undefeated. Yun yung i-carry nila rito. And ito, first substitution.
Yes. Francis De La Cruz and Drew Jimenez come into the ball game in replacement of the Prince and the Diamond. So more shooting ang pinasok ni Coach Jay Sierra.
Yes, and more muscle inside the paint ang ibibigay ng dalawang players na to. And ito, humabol pa. Number 17.
Si Lugto, nandiyan na
Oo.
rin. So speedy guard and two shooters, Russell Del Ponzo and itong si Francis De La Cruz.
Yes. Good substitution for me para kay Coach Jay Sierra. Kasi ang bibilis ng mga guards ng Familia DC, lalo na itong dalawang to.
Totoo. Right here, Del Ponzo with a rebound. Gives it to Drew Jimenez. Good double team at the post.
Yeah, I like the energy of Familia DC. Talagang these guys, hindi sila napipirme sa isang pwesto. Talagang the activities on the floor, they are running, they are defending, they are hedging. Baseline inbound.
There you go. I think there's a call correction right here. There you go, call correction 9. Agad-agad umimbaw yung Familia DC. Take a look at this.
Tumama ka.
It did clearly hit through Jimenez's knee. Miss from the outside. Francis.
Coming from behind, muntikan maagawan doon.
Oh. Is Jimenez pull-up jumper off the mark. Drew. Bobs. Fires. Wala pa rin. And Dural's now on the floor. Ayaw pa rin talaga kay Drew Jimenez.
Oo, although nakukuha nila yung offensive rebounds, but you know, puro rush shots yung binibigay dito ng Apalit I Love It kasi nga sobrang kulit yung Familia DC talaga. So pesky.
Yes. And the three-pointer is knocked down. Para ito kay Kyle Sunga. Lefty, no?
Yes.
Francis.
And tanda mo, karamihan ng mga lefty shooters, deadly.
Yes. Except for one.
Shooter ka ba?
Hindi kaya nga except for one eh. Ako yung nag-iisa eh.
Sabi ko, lahat na shooters.
Deadly.
Oo.
Ayun, ako nga lang nag-iisang hindi shooter na lefty.
Hindi nga, first.
Ako yung lefty na hindi shooter. Wala, that's why I'm here.
Another steal.
Another steal.
Ito yung sinasabi ko.
Two
Yung
on
pesky
none.
guards.
2 on none yun, Coach Pajo. Pineda yung Latoga.
Grabe itong yung backward combination na itong Latoga Pineda. Talagang hindi ka tatantanan eh.
Yes. As Del Ponzo, that's his favorite spot, decides to attack. Swings it, Franchos from the corner. Off the mark, and Lugto with a rebound. Drops it off Dural with an easy 2 points.
And this is where Charles Dural will gonna make a living under the basket with his height and length.
Yes. As Lugto draws fouls itong si McLaren Latoga. Nice name, ha? Nice name. Kaya pala mabilis. That's why it's fast. You take a look at this once again. Ating lakas steal of the quarter brought to you by Winzen's Cafe, the official cafe partner of Sinag Liga Asas ng mga taga Naga City, Cebu. Punta na po dyan sa Winzen's Cafe. Get your pastries and your coffee.
Yes, and binanggit mo nga, no? McLaren Latoga, sobrang bilis, di ba? Very pesky guard. And magandang matchup to si McLaren against Carlos Ferreras sa Pampanga. No? Kung magpapang-abot, no? Parehas mabibilis. Ito, Lugto. Ang ganda ng pasa niya kanina kay Charles Dural sa ilalim, di ba?
Totoo.
Yes.
Napaluha ako sa tapo. Del Ponzo from way downtown.
Oo.
You know he has that, Coach Pancho. Drew Jimenez tried to save the ball.
Yes, and look at the score. 15 is to 12. Lamang na tatlo yung Familia DC. And inunti-unti sila ng Familia DC. Apalit I Love It went on with a fast start, but again, talagang the activities on the floor of all players of Familia DC. They were able to match up yung energy ng Apalit. I love it. Okay, still from behind, oh.
Yun nga lang, nawalan ng spasyo si Lugto to get the ball.
Yes, and that's the reason why itong si Migs Lugto nandito sa floor right now to match up to the quickness of the guards of Coach Mike Pineda.
Yes. 22 seconds remaining, 15 seconds on the shot clock for Familia Washington DC. A 7-second different shot clock game.
Deadly pass.
Oo.
Deadly pass yung ganon. Risky pass.
Lugto gets his second personal foul. Luckily, that's just their second team foul dito.
High ball screen.
Yes.
Oh, he rejects that screen.
That's gonna be a foul whistled here on Russell Del Ponzo.
Oh.
Hindi niya nakita si Dural, nakaabang na to jump up, di ba?
Eh, yun naman ang role ni Charles Dural pagdating sa depensa. Help defender yan.
Yes. As Yuri Masibak comes in, and this guy, the pride of Apalit Pampanga, Yuri Masibak is the energizer for Apalit. I love it dun sa Delta Cup. Can he do that now? Kasi medyo flat yung start nito ng team nila.
Yes, this is what they need, yung energy. Kasi mas may energy itong Familia DC. And that's why Coach Encho Serrano pinasok itong si Yuri Masibak. Let's see what he can bring to the table.
Let's see right here. Del Ponzo attacks, swings it to Francis, three-pointer. Doesn't get the bounce to go for Francis De La Cruz. And for the first time in this Junior World Showcase, Apalit I Love It is down in the first quarter, Coach Pancho. What a start for Familia Washington DC as we take a look at this first quarter highlights. Grabe, tinakbuhan nitong Familia Washington. Ang Apalit I Love It, they really put on the accelerator pedal from the get-go.
That's right. Full of energy itong Familia DC. And nagulat yung Apalit I Love It doon. The quickness, the activities on the floor of all players. That's why 4-point lead for Familia DC over the Apalit I Love It.
Yes, 16-12 ang ating score after the end of the first quarter.
Premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop. Premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
I told them that basketball is a brotherhood. They have to play as a family, not just as teammates, is what Coach Mike Pineda said. When I asked him what has been the key to their successful eliminations, Sean, it is a strong team chemistry they've built even with just a couple of days playing here. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Francine. And basketball is a brotherhood, di ba? You're not just teammates, you're family. Great quote galing dito kay Coach Mike Pineda of Familia Washington DC, Coach Pancho. Napakaganda nga nung quote na yun eh. Parang that's why they playing together, di ba? As right now, pinasok na ni Coach Mike Pineda yung second unit. And I want to take note of number 33, JP Manuel, who's actually from Florida Blanca, Pampanga, who played for the Hustle Rising Suns
Yes, the
in
first
season
team.
1.
The
Oo.
first team of Hustle Rising Suns.
Coach JR De La Cruz. And
Oo.
speaking of the Rising Suns, congratulations and
Yes.
enjoy your stay sa Boracay, di ba?
Yes, congratulations. Sayang, di nga ako nakatin sa victory party nila.
Pareho tayo is. Latoga knocks down the triple.
Binalik agad dito si McLaren Latoga to start the second quarter and he delivers immediately.
Sino ka matchup? Maganda ka matchup.
Oo, si Carlos Ferrari. Ferreras. Wala Ferrari. So,
Actually, meron.
Kasi mabilis eh.
May na-cover kami dati ni Coach Leo for Iligan Archangels. Ferraris ang pangalan.
So, tanggalin mo lang S, no? Ferrari, no? McLaren. And then Ferrari. So, don't look now, 7-point lead na agad. What a start here for Familia DC. Let's see
Yes.
what's the adjustment of Coach Encho Serrano for the Apalit I Love It.
Del Ponzo fires from the outside.
Kanina pa niya inaantayan. He's been looking for that and now nakaisa na siya and then that's the Familia DC needs to watch out. Itong si Del Pozo.
What a shot from the Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, no, Coach Pancho. It's now representing, of course, a northern team pa rin naman, ang Apalit Pampanga, di ba? Pero, take a look at this once again. Libre-libre siya for the lakas shot of the quarter. Brought to you by CDO Foods, Beer, food that brings you home. Very smooth yung jumper neto ni Del Ponzo. No? Easily repeatable, very consistent yung release niya.
Yes, and hindi alam ng Familia DC na mayroon siyang ganung kalayong range eh. Kaya hindi challenge eh.
Totoo. Ito Masibak. Gives it to Francis.
Ang bilis bumaba ng Familia DC. Actually, gustong takbuhan ng Apalit I Love It. Pag sinabi naman ni Del Pozo, I'll just gonna shoot the lights out from the
Grabe.
three-point land.
Russell Del Pozo. Again, back-to-back triples para sa kanya. And we
Yes.
dubbed him Steph Curry like, di ba, Coach Pancho before.
Kakasabi ko lang, di ba kanina Enzo, nakaisa na yan, susunod na yan. Hindi tayo pinaya.
I-check naman yun. I-pull up, di ba, Coach Pancho eh. It's gonna be the first personal foul whistle here on Ralph Macaldo as John Paul Manuel, who played for Abi King Panyulong, Florida Blanca sa Delta Cup. Also played no season 1 nga ng ating inaugural season for Born 2001 Cup for the Hustle Rising Suns. Now playing for Familia Washington DC.
Yeah, this is his second family, no? First family niya, Hustle Rising Suns. This time, Familia DC. So, let's see, diba? What's the impact that he brings to this Familia DC, especially a different team, different culture.
Oh! Grabe. Even the misses of Del Ponzo look good no, Coach Pancho. Ang ganda ng arco lagi.
Yes, ang ganda ng pagkakasetup sa kanya. Hindi mo rin masisi si McLaren Latoga. Kailangan niyang i-challenge dahil nakadalawang sunod eh.
And almost from the same distance, I think parang 30-footer no, yung ginagawa niya palagi. Bagay na bagay yung jersey number niyang 30 sa kanya eh.
Oo.
Yun nga, and the free throw is a miss.
As we take a look at Coach Mike
Mike Pineda.
Pineda from Familia DC. Well, grabe yung journey nila rito. And second rank number 2 sa Group A na 19 under, di ba?
Yes. And what, I don't want to say an upset, but a victory here for Familia Washington DC would really be a big victory, di ba? Dahil madaming nag-expect na Apalit I Love It ang papasok sa finals, di ba? And if you're the ones who beat them for the first time dito, medyo mabigat-bigat yun, di ba, Coach Pancho?
And in front of the home crowd.
In front of the home crowd
Yes.
ba?
And they have one player who came from a team who beat the home crowd, di ba?
Yes, totoo. As Del Ponzo attacks.
Oh.
Very aggressive ito si Del Pozo.
Yes, ang ganda, ang bilis ng adjustment ni Del Pozo. Ano, kasi alam niya, he anticipated na babantay na siya from the outside. So ang ginawa niya, he take it strong to the hoop. Di ba?
Yes. Look at that. He just pushed the basketball against 4 players and we saw the foul there. Kitang-kita yung swipe.
Right. Straight line drive.
We did not see a lot of that no Coach Pancho when he played for Batang Lacan under Coach Louie Empleo, di ba? Puro siya 3-point shots, 3-point attempts, ganun. Bihira siya makakuha ng layup. Kung layup man siya, fast break, di ba? As you can see, the number 1 overall pick in the 49th season PBA draft, di ba? Justin Baltazar of the Converge Fiber Xers.
Wow. Grabe. The first time that he came from Japan, simula nung lumaro siya dito, back home. Di ba tayo rin ang nag-cover nun
Yes.
sa isang pro league. Then
Sinimulan
that team, the Pampanga team, was so undefeated. It ended up as a champions.
Yes.
And then, grabe, he continues to make history right here. And Justin Baltazar is actually not only an assistant coach, but he also serves as an inspiration to these young guns. And one play.
Again, Yuri Masibak drawing 3 defenders, dropping it off to Ralph Macaldo. That's why Yuri Masibak's on the floor. Look at that. Attack by Masibak and the drop-off for the last drive of the quarter brought by CDO Foods here. Food that brings you home.
Wow. Grabe, no? Yuri Masibak attacking the sea of red on that lane. And then yun nga, na-attract niya lahat ng defenders doon. I mean, lahat. Kasi na, he caught the attention of the 4 or even 5 red shirts that time. That's when he gave up a great dime.
And don't look now, Coach Pancho. Lamang na ng 6 na puntos itong Apalit. I love it.
Yes.
Wild drive there para dito kay Sunga. Ball is loose in midair.
Oh, but again, the Familia DC talagang not giving up on every possession. That's why they kept the ball alive.
Short yung tres doon for Medroso.
Look at this. Pineda talagang handing itong si Yuri Masibak. Yuri Masibak. Ooh.
Oh, they say offensive
Yeah,
foul.
He warded off.
You can see this. Pero kita mo yung burst of speed niya, no?
Yes.
Grabe yung bilis. Oh, Alaw comes back into the ballgame. Let's take a look at this once again. Yuri Masiba, watch his left hand. There you go. Straight to the face dito ni Pedroso din kasi Coach Pancho.
Oo, and si Pedroso, ang haba din eh. That's why nailang si Yuri Masibak.
6 minutes and 50 natitira sa ating second period. Buholano swings it to Sunga. Back to Buholano. This time he'll attack the floaters.
Wild shot.
Oh.
Great team defense dito ng Apalit I Love It. Ang ganda ng defensive rotation nila.
As Del Ponzo knocks it down.
That's his third.
Pangatlo na niya yan.
Grabe to si Roji Del Pozo. Shooting the lights out here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center.
Russell Roji Del Pozo. Del Pozo, pangatlo na yan. And that's why lamang ng 9 points. Etong Apalit, I love it. 28 to 19, 6 minutes and 25 natitira sa ating second period.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Back here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. This SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup is brought to you by CDO Foods Beer, food that brings you home. As we can see, Coach Pancho, a growling tiger on your screens and the pride of Apalit, Pampanga, Isaac Danting.
Yes. Ice Danting is in the house.
Grabe. So, isang lasalista na si Andre Dungo, tapos isang taga UST na si Ice Danting.
Yes. That's how you support, diba? Your team.
Yes.
Your friends and families right here. Siyempre, this is semifinals of the SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.
And foul there. We're still trying to fight off the screen. Tumbay itong si Latoga. But actually, kanina nakita natin, Doy and Danting, di ba? A potential rivalry in the UAAP, both for LaSalle and UST.
That's why.
Parehong rookie. Ice is not a rookie, played for, line up nga pala sa Ateneo. Pero parehong young guys from nandito pa sa Pampanga nang galing San Simon si Doy. Itong si Ice, taga Apalit, di ba? Brewing rivalry in the future for UAAP basketball.
Wow, interesting and very exciting. That's why yung college basketball, di ba, talagang full of stars, full of upcoming stars.
Totoo.
And dito sila nakikita-kita.
Yes.
Sa SLA.
Behind the back. Drops it off. Oh! They're asking for goaltending.
Yeah, it was a hurried shot dito.
And it didn't even look like it was going to go in, no, Coach Pancho, regardless. As Pineda pulls up off the mark. Moore with the rebound. Alaw to Del Pozo, three-pointer. I thought he was going to hit that.
Sayang, ganda na naman na setup job dito ni Moore Prince Alaw. He's one of the best in doing that.
Yun nga, the top assist man for Apalit. I love it, Coach Pancho, di ba?
Yeah. Alam mo kung sino yung pangalawa?
Sino?
George Diamante.
George Diamante.
Oo. Di ba? Isang big man, pero second assist man mo.
Totoo. Ilan kaya doon sa assist na yung nakangiti siya?
All of them. And great challenge by George Diamante that time kay Cal Sunga.
Oh, good find by Moore. Hindi nga lang pumasok for Francis. Diamante, well scouted, Coach Pancho. He's not dominating this game as what we've seen him do all throughout this tournament, di ba?
Yes.
Sunga, the turnaround jumper off the mark. Offensive rebound for Medroso.
Naunahan sa pwestuhan doon.
Taas din tumalon na itong Medroso ng Coach Pancho.
Yes. And again, sobrang likot eh. Ito na yung term ko for Pamilya DC. Sobrang likot nila talaga. Lahat gumagalaw.
Yes. Likot in a good way.
Yes.
Papasok. Etong si Jeremy Bukat.
Oh, another dead shot from the outside.
And some-
Grabe energy dito sa Brasilia Convention Center.
Yes.
As our reps are
Oh,
clarifying with our
referees.
table officials. While merong discussion na nagaganap,
ahead.
I'd like to take advantage to give a shout out to our New York friends right here. Of course, si Ma'am Eliza Quintana, the mother of Coach Edwin and Coach Q, si Coach Eric, si Coach Joby Caldejon ng Husay, Coach Mike Sinabre, Coach Albert Sinabre, Commissioner Ronnie Ocampo, and Ma'am Nelly Ocampo of FABLI, which is the Philippine American Basketball League of Long Island. Carl Ang, Assistant Team Manager, Valdo Hilio of Kabayan Cargo, Engage Link Solutions, Bocoro Law Firm, mga loyal fans ng FABLI kanina, sayang, no? They got defeated by Lakas, California. Ito sila Edwin Ricarde, Ian Gubalia, Romel Bautista, Riley Bautista, and family, si Sonny Hoop Hunter Kirkes. And again, thank you so much for the love and for your support.
Meron pa kay
Yan.
Romsel Laksamana, kay June De Chavez, Alvin Catilupe, kay Marlon Diaz, and shoutout din daw sa Manila Mart and sa Raymond Matthews Grill kung saan daw kumain sila Boss Ray Comronti nandun sila sa US.
Oy. Thanks for the love.
And also kay Sir J. Dural Jarrod of Above the Rim and kay 3B Hoops na
Yes.
sabi mo sikat yun, di ba?
Sikat yan, si 3B Hoops. Hope to meet him someday.
Kaya ang hinanap mo kanina, akala mo nandito.
Oo nga
di ba?
eh. So ito, 7-point lead for Apalit I Love It over the Familia DC. And the game is getting more exciting. Oh, ito, Prince Alaw will shoot that.
Or decides to give it to a much better shooter
Ah.
percentage-wise, di ba, Coach Pancho?
Kaso malamig pa to si Jeremy Bukay. Si Jeremy Bukat.
As more with the duty foul there dahil they didn't have the numbers
Oo.
wisely. Pero yun nga, penalty na sila. As you can see, Encho Serrano, a former Adamson Baby Falcon standout. De La Salle, Green Archer standout. Phoenix Fuel Master, and now Pampanga Giant Lantern champion.
Of course, and they're looking for a back-to-back. And, you know, they're in a good place. Ang ganda. They're leading their division. So, pag sinabing Pampanga, kahit anong division, 15 under, 17, lahat, di ba?
19,
Yeah.
23,
Oo.
pro.
Isa na lang inaantay natin. Yung 40,
40
45, di ba?
And again, yung head coach nga nito, Apalit I Love It, taga-ano na eh,
Siyempre, Coach
nagpaparinig
Jay
na eh.
Sierra yan eh. Kondisyon yan.
Unfortunately, next year pa siya eligible. Diba, naglaro siya kasi for MPBL before, so hindi pa siya 5 years retired. Next year pa.
Oo, eto na. Nagpo-point center na si George Diamante. For Apalit I Love It.
Yu Jimenez misses 2 gimmies.
Sayang. Ang ganda ng find ni George Diamante sa kanya doon. But he wasn't able to finish it.
Sunga attacks. Well defended there by Drew and Diamante. Yung nga lang, nadaganan niya. Itong si Pedroso.
Again, Pedroso, naunahan na naman sa pwesto doon. Si George Diamante. Again, they are all crashing the boards. Di ba? Imagine those players are coming from the outside.
Yes. And
Tapos sila pa yung makakakuha ng tapik,
Oo, you're
ng
saying-
rebound.
you're saying makulit, di ba, Coach Pancho? As you can see once again, ito si Balti on your screens, the #1 overall pick for the Converge Fiber Xers.
Siyempre, converge yan eh.
Of course, who played for De La Salle University and then went to Japan, played for the Hiroshima Dragonflies, di ba?
Then after that, yun na. The rest is history.
Pampanga na. And what a pass there! Diamante to UC.
Yes, and Elijah Yusi is always ready for that kind of passes.
Oh. What will they do right now? Talking about Familia, Washington, D.C. Asunga, again, drawing another foul.
Again, they keep on attacking. They keep on playing aggressive. And yun yung rewards na ng Honda. As we take a look of the lakas assist of the quarter.
Brought to you by SM South Mall. We got it all for you. Our second home, di ba, Coach Pancho?
Yes. Shout out, direct.
Di mo tinuloy. Sige si Coach Jay Sierra giving instructions dito kay Jeremy Bukat. And, yun nga, this Familia Washington, D.C. Kanina nakalamang na sila. Now, naghahabol sila but they're still in this ballgame as this is just a 5-point lead and a timeout for Apalit. I love it right now. They're protecting a 5-point lead nga. 30-25, 3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining in this second period. You can see Mayor Jun Titanco, the mayor of Apalit, Pampanga, and also Sir Glenn Danting, the assistant team manager of Apalit. I love it. In attendance, of course, he's also the father of Ice Danting.
Yes,
diba?
of course. Mayor June Tatanco and Sir Glenn Danting. Good luck and thank you. Thank you for the continuous love and support right here.
Oh, actually well represented. Parehong kupunan dito, di ba, Coach Pancho? As we can see, the good-sized crowd dito sa Brenzy Giao Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Children of all ages and more importantly, di ba, we're in the beautiful city of San Fernando. Ang daming naggagandang nandirito, di ba?
Sobra. Eh, nasasarap ng mga pagkain. Eh, kaya
Yes.
tayo balik na balik dito because grabe yung pag-welcome nila sa atin dito.
Kaya yung pagkain talaga, yung sarap talaga.
Oh!
Ashton nearly lost it. George, wala yung floater, but he gets it back. Still no go UC, tapping ng bola. Pineda gets it. Corner three-pointer off the mark nga lang.
Oh, naunahan na naman sila dun sa rebound.
Ashton puts on the accelerator pedal. Gives it to Jimenez. Ayaw pa rin for Drew and UC try to keep it alive pero out of bounds na siya doon.
Again, nagugulat sila sa Pamilya DC dito. Yung energy talaga. Sobrang, kung sino may hawak ng bola, talagang ginagangap nila. A quick double team. And then they are challenging a lot of shots right here. Kaya tamo, puro hurry shots yung mga binibitawan ng Apalit. I love it.
Yes. Pamilya Washington DC playing a perfect game on defense. Pero on offense, they're also struggling because of the defense in Apalit. I love it,
Oo.
di ba?
So, kaya nga, no, nagkaroon kasi ng scouting na ngayon eh.
Yes.
Sa kapag film viewing na sila, both teams, nakita na nila yung laro ng bawat team, especially nung kakalabanin nila, yung mga tendencies ng players. This is the result. Okay.
Sorry, missed there for Drew, and it leads to another transition. Ooh, Pineda misses, and that's a clear push right there by Medroso.
Oo.
Dahil penalty na parehong kupunan, Coach Pancho, babalik sa free throw line. Etong Apalit, I love it.
That was a good challenge by Elijah UC that time on that drive. Dito ni Anthony Pineda.
Eligado. Novillo, of course, who played for the Baliwag Stars in Sinag Liga Asia, 19 under. And also, a player for the Arellano Braves, magiging mag-teammate sila ni Elijah UC as you can see, Coach Encho.
Yes, that's right. Tingnan mo yung mga players na yung mga non-Kapampangan players ng Apalit. I love it. They're no stranger to this type of competition. That's why sila yung key additions dito for the Apalit. I love it. Kasi alam na nila yung pressure, alam na nila yung style of play. So that's why, tingnan mo, Apalit, I love it, came into the semifinal round undefeated.
Yes. And right here on offense, Pamilya DC also struggling, pero they set up Sunga. Good line eh.
Kanina pa rin yung nahanap yung Sunga yung rhythm niya. Hindi pa rin siya makatikada from the outside because, again, he's scouted. Alam na shooter siya. There's always a defender.
Yes.
Who challenges all of his shots.
George for the cutting Eligado, and that'll be an offensive foul.
Again, doon bumawi si Kyle Sunga that time. Great defensive stance, sacrificing his body.
Take a look at this once again. He literally got trucked there by Eligado.
Mas naalala ko na naman yung kahapon gabi sa Bacolor. Magabi.
Bola, no? Kasi Borja, no?
Oo. Parang literal na freight train eh. No? Na
Yun
10 to
talaga,
15-wheeler truck.
yun talaga yung bulldozer. Yung bulldoze na term. As Latoga fires. Still no go from downtown.
Kanila na naman
Oo.
ang offensive rebound, di ba? Ang dami nilang mga second opportunities dito in this ball game. Ayun na naman, sa kanila ulit.
Oh, wow! What a block there by Diamante.
Hindi na pumayag si George doon.
A quick timeout for Coach Mike Pineda as we take a look at this once again. Ang ating lakas block of the quarter brought to you by 0107 Management Group incorporated by George Tibus Diamante Jr. Wide lamang sila ngayon ng 6 na puntos because of that defense. We have a timeout on the floor. We will be right back.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
As we can see, Coach Pancho, our tail of the tape, and from the stats perspective, a palit lamang over anybody because undefeated sila, di ba? But the eye test right now doesn't say the story, di ba?
Yes, look at the tail of the tape. Points allowed, but I'll try to make a focus on rebounding. Rebounding, talagang it will go to the Apalit. I love it. Eligado is their #1 rebounder, averaging 10 rebounds per ball game. And yung assist department, a team that averages 21 assists, okay? Grabe yung chemistry and teamwork. And again, I already mentioned earlier, the top 2 assist men for Apalit. I love it is Moore Prinsalo and George Diamante. Moore Prinsalo, almost 6 assists per ball game. George Diamante, 4 assists per ball game.
Totoo, and what a play coming off the timeout.
Wow!
For Familia, Washington, D.C. As that basket by Eligado is nullified, but what a play call by Coach Mike Pineda. Anthony Pineda, libre-libre dun sa corner for the triple.
Great play design by Coach Mike Pineda that time.
Oo, and now, 4 na lang, Coach Pancho, kanilang hinahabol. But
Grabe yun, quick hitter
Oo.
play yun.
our entire team of Familia, Washington, D.C. is asking bakit 2 points lang yun. Our referees can review that kung 2 or 3 yun na Coach Pancho. There you go, they say a triple na nga. Take a look at this once again, right here. Watch his foot. That's close.
Yes.
Pero clearly,
Oo.
may gap between yung tip ng shoe niya and the 3-point line. So that's clearly a 3-pointer there, Coach Pancho. I wouldn't say clearly. That's a 3-pointer right there.
Grabe. A quick pop out from the shaded lane to the left corner and then bang. Diba?
Bang,
Bang.
boom. Me, oh my, Coach Pancho. 44 and a half seconds remaining dito. Dikit na dikit lahat ng laro natin, no? Pati yung kanina.
Yes. Kasi nga, ano na talagang napag-aralan eh.
Yes.
Unlike yung day 1, day 2, biglaan eh. Di ba?
Oo.
Nagkabiglaan.
Unknown
Siyempre, oo. Especially mga visiting teams natin, di
Yes.
ba? From US, Canada, and Dubai. And speaking of Dubai, kanina, nakita na natin yung kanilang last shot dito sa SLA Junior World Showcase, di ba? And
Yes.
thank you to all the teams who participated.
Right, ito na nga yung second to the last day natin. Bukas will be the final day of the World Showcase. Ang bilis ng panahon, no? As Diamante.
Look at that.
Diamante all the way!
Grabe. Alam Magic Johnson of the Showtime Lakers during the
Yes.
90s.
And ala Gilbert Malabanan na nakanganga Coach Pancho.
Oo. Si Coach Gilbert, ano, nakadila rin. Ano?
George, 3/4 court.
Ooh.
Nearly got it to go.
Wow.
Again, George Tibus Diamante Jr. Grabe, shine bright like a diamond right here.
Oh, what a heart-pounding first half that we saw in the semifinal round of SLA Junior World Showcase. 19 under. Grabe, full of highlights. And these are the second quarter highlights. And full of action, excitement, you know. Grabe. A series of runs, outside shooting, inside play, team
Bawian
defense.
lang
Look at this.
Bawian
Great
lang, Coach
delivery.
Pancho.
Kaya nga eh. This is the last play. This is how he ended the first half with this coast-to-coast layup by George Tibus Diamante Jr.
That's why lamang sila ng 5 points, Coach Pancho. 33-28 at the half. Kapit lang po mga kasinag, tayo po magbabalik dito sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.
Clothing shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
is up mga kasinag? Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asia at nandito po tayo ngayon sa Subic to meet and get a chance to talk to some very important people para sa future ng Sinag Liga Asia and also to get to witness the graduation ng senior high school department ng Lyceum Subic Port. As we all know, ang Lyceum Subic Port po ay parte ng Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase and also they're a big part sa ating future. Kaya tara na po and let's see what's in store for Sinag Liga Asia.
We're excited, and I would like to invite all, especially the towns. We have 12 towns in Zambales, and there's a lot more. And we are very proud to tell you that we are joining a very good league, and we have a very good platform. So, antayin nyo kami, and we will join.
Yan na po mga kasinag. You heard it first from Attorney Alfonso Burda ng Lyceum Subic Port na ang Lyceum Sharks Subic Port ay handang-handa na po para sa SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga. Pero hindi lang po yun ang kanya sinabi kanina. Meron nga po silang nilulutong something special for all the colleges, universities, and high schools para dito sa Norte. And syempre, very soon po mga kasinag, meron din po tayong diyang niluluto sa South Region naman po ng Luzon. Kaya po mga kasinag, tutok lang po. Especially napakalapit na po ng ating SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga po yan. Once again, ako po, si Enzo Galarosa ng Sinag Liga Asia. We are one.
Oh! Yan na naman siya! Kalma lang tayo! Lamang tayo ng isa! There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako nga po pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
Good evening mga kasinag. Before we continue to the second half of our very exciting ball game, I am here today with Anisa Santos, the setter for the Under-18 Philippine National Team Alas Pilipinas, and also the daughter of our Commissioner Rodney Santos. First of all, welcome to Sinag Liga Asia and good evening. Now, we of course all have heard about you being a part of the Alas Under-18 team, and not just that, you have also brought home the bronze medal for the Philippines on the Princess Cup Women's Volleyball Championship. How has the experience been, and how has this experience helped shape you as an athlete?
It was a fun experience for me because it helps boost my confidence as a setter. I really learned a lot from my coach there and from my teammates as well, and whoever I've went across in terms of being like an opponent from different countries. It was really a different experience, but I enjoyed it overall.
And are there any words of advice or motivation you would want to give aspiring young athletes like you?
Whatever you do, just do it with passion. Like, kahit nakakapagod yung training every day, just keep doing it and just trust the process because you don't know where it will reach you someday.
Now, is there anyone you would like to greet and thank?
I would like to greet my close friends back in UST, Ate Lian, Ate Lita, Peanut, and Ate Sky.
And that is it for our halftime interview. Now back to Enzo and Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Francine. And once again, thank you so much to Anisa Dale Santos, the daughter of Com Rodney Santos and a Alas Pilipinas gold medalist and a UST Growling Tiger herself. Kasi ito nga apalit, I love it, ay lamang na 5 puntos, 33-28 at the half kontra dito sa Pamilya Washington DC. And Coach Pancho, what did you see in the first half? Bakit lamang itong apalit, I love it?
Yes, Apalit I Love actually control the boards and they have more fast break points and yung bench points ng Apalit I Love it. They have 7 players actually have scored for the first half while ito namang Pamilya DC, only 5 players have scores. But again, it's still a close ball game, just a 5-point lead, and of course adjustments will be made in the third quarter, and as we all know, come the fourth quarter, it's winning time. So dito makikita yung composure, yung experience ng mga players natin dito. So it's gonna be a hell of a ball game right here. So we take a look at the halftime stats that we have here. Look at that field goal percentage. 27% while 20 lang for Pamilya DC. Apalit I Love it still lording the boards right here. Even the assist department and a little bit of edge dito sa points in the paint. So yeah, exciting third quarter ahead of us right here. So continue to watch and tune into this SLA Junior World Showcase. Delta Cup 19 under. At ito ang leading scorers, Enzo.
Russell Del Pozo with 13 points to lead all scores. Diamante and UC both with 6 and Macaldo with 3 for Apalit I Love it. Dito naman sa paring na Pamilya Washington DC, Sunga and Latoga with 9 points. Pineda with 6 and Buholano with 2 points. Napakaganda nga ng ating magiging laro, Coach Pancho, in this second half. As siyempre, give a shout out kay Ray Balionado family and Salvador family of Calantipe, Apalit, Pampanga. Taga Calantipe, Apalit, Pampanga, mga nanonood ngayon. And of course, kay Attorney Alfonso Borda of Lyceum Subic Bay. And nandito si Attorney Al nung opening natin, di ba?
Yes, and for the Lyceum
Sharks.
Subic Sharks, thank you for joining.
See you soon.
See you soon. I know this is just the beginnings. Yeah.
Siyempre, it's the beginning of their tournament life sa Sinag Liga Asia. And siyempre, the new era for the Sharks, di ba? Under Coach Kel Misa, di ba?
Yes. So that's a good high-low play between George Diamante and Eligado. So, good start for third quarter.
And
so,
Coach Pancho, this is what opinion ng ibang mga tao kasi. Kaya dikit itong laro natin because Apalit, you do agree with me na medyo nag-highlight hunting din kasi sila in the first half, di ba? Ang daming mga fancy passes na hindi naman kailangan, di ba? So, maybe in the second half, focus on, yung sinasabi nyo focus on the simple play, the right play. And bigla na lang, malaki na yung kalamangan dito as Del Pozo misses the three-pointer.
yes, and they got another chance right here by getting an offensive rebound. And tingnan mo naman, so crisp, not so crispy yung pass doon ni George Diamante. Talagang kita mo rin na meron pa rin silang mga lapses dahil yung onting lapse sa communication. Kasi nga, hindi yung iba dito, bago lang for Apalit, I love you to.
Yes, bagong ano pa nga lang kagaya ni Moore, ni George, di ba? I mean, they're not, and still they're playing this game without Table Garcia out because of, duties with the National University Bulldogs,
Yes.
di ba?
And si VJ Pre.
Yes, VJ Pre. For FEU naman, under Coach Sean Chambers, di ba?
So what if kung naglaro pa yung dalawang yun?
Exactly, as Eligado with a floater right there.
Yes. So another big connection right here. Again, same combo, Diamante to Eligado. So ito ngayon yung game plan ni Coach Jay Shera at Coach Encho Serrano dito. He will put more ball touches dito sa kanyang big men. Yes, kasi yun yung advantage nila.
And pansin mo, Coach Pancho, pag walang no-look pass at mga fancy passes, nakakaabot sa player na gusto nilang pasahan eh.
Yes.
Just like that, that's my point, di ba?
And
Nearly a turnover.
Nakita nila na talagang so serious itong Familia DC, especially sa defense. Doon ako na-impress dito for Familia DC. Very disciplined sa defense nila.
Ang ganda din kasi ng communication dito ng Familia DC. When I look at the pick and rolls na tinatakbo ng Apalit, alam nila when to switch, when to stay home, under o over ba sila sa screen, di ba? They're very, as you said, disciplined team. And ang ganda kasi ng pag-uusap nila on the floor defensively, di ba? Wala nga gaanong mismatches tayo nakita dito eh.
Yes, and grabe sila sa rebounding department. Although, hindi nila nakuha yung rebound, matapik lang nila. Malaking bangay yun. That's why ang dami nila mga second chance dito.
There's a good tap there. And look at the fight for the ball.
Yan. Diving for the loose ball. Of course, one of these teams will enter the finals. That's going to happen tomorrow.
I said, Coach Jay Shera calls for a head coach's challenge dito. And you know what's funny? Konti lang ang coach's challenge dito sa World Showcase natin, di ba? And puro local teams ang nagja-challenge.
Yes, and di ba, nabanggit ko rin yan kahapon. Nasa Bacolor tayo. Maybe some of the teams are not used to it, or maybe not familiar or not used to it.
Or not, even not aware initially, di ba? Na meron palang coach's challenge. Again,
And meron pa ka nag-live timeout eh.
Oo.
Di ba?
Gilas Montreal. Akala ko. And again, the unfamiliarity of the rules. And ang ganda na sinabi kanina ni Coach Eric Quintana nung kasama ko siya dito sa panel. He did say na that was one of the biggest challenges daw dito was their adjustment to the officiating. Meron daw kasi sa Amerika na konting hawak, konting tulak, konting bangga, pinipituhan agad. But dito daw sa Pilipinas, because we play physical, hindi pinipituhan.
Yes.
And there's a couple of things daw in the rule set na hindi daw sila sanay. Kasi nga, we're playing under the rules of the FIBA rulebook. Diba? Sa Amerika kasi mga adjustment rules yan, diba?
Wow.
There you go. There's
Look
the call.
at that.
Oo.
Grabe yung pagka-capture dun, ha? Hats off to our cameraman and the whole SLA Sports production.
Yes, and yung slow-mo operator natin si Emerson. Grabe yung pagka-slow-mo mo doon. Del Pozo travels that time, and that's why you say, Coach Pancho, diba, don't leave your feet if unsure ka.
And also, that's what I'm talking about the Familia DC. Although they're behind by 8, pero grabe yung tenacity nila sa depensa. Look at this. Latoga being guarded by George Diamante. Look at this matchup dito. Ooh, almost a steal.
Pineda swings. Latago off the mark. Oh! Jumping competition right there. Big bump. Para dito kay Luis Andrew Gilas.
Yes, Luis Andrew Gilas using his body right there against a smaller itong si Anthony Pineda.
These free throws could give, if he hits both, talking about Gilas, if he hits both, they could give him a double-digit spread dito, Coach Pancho.
Yes.
Which, so far dito sa ating laro, di ba? Parang wala pa tayo nakikitang 10-point lead,
Yes.
double-figure lead, di ba?
The biggest lead of the ball game is 9.
Yes. There you go. 1 out of 2 lang para dito kay Gilas.
So, na-match lang yung biggest lead of the ball game so far.
Still a lot of time on the clock. 6 minutes and 56 pa on the third quarter.
Yes, tingnan mo yung matchup dito, yung ginawa ni Coach Enzo Serrano, ha? They are putting big men dito sa guards ng Familia DC because they want to use their long arms just like that. And, you know, getting those steals.
That was a dangerous mid-air collision between Gilas and Dizon.
Oh. And itong si Luis Andrew Gilas, talagang no hesitation, no fear. Talagang take it strong to the hoop.
Ang ganda ng paggamit niya ng Pinoy step eh. Then, napakagat niya si Dizon but yun nga, it was in the way kaya nagkabanggaan sila.
Buti hindi ganun ka-delicate yung landing, ha?
Yes.
Nakakatakot yun.
Totoo yun. Buti nga hindi rin sa tuhod or leg area nito ni Gilas bumagsak si Dizon, di ba, Coach Pancho?
So this is the biggest lead of the ball game right now at 11. 41-30.
Another stop for Aparic. I love it. Not the start Familia Washington DC wanted. Good pass by Diamante.
Yes.
What a bullet pass right there.
Again, the adjustment of Coach Enzo Serrano putting George Diamante as the point center. He sees everything on the floor. And then the rim runner, especially the big men, talagang they're going to the right location. That's why nahahanap sila ni George doon.
Yes. And again, another stop para dito sa Apalit. I love it. Del Pozo fires, knocks it down.
They forgot to defend. Itong si Del Pozo, who now has 4 3-pointers to his name.
Totoo. And grabe naman yung shooting spree niya, Coach Pancho. Di ba? In spurts nangyayari. Talagang sunod-sunod eh.
Yes. And I like the strategy of Apalit. I love it here. Putting George Diamante. Defending the guards. Kasi na-intimidate niya using his long arms yung mga outside shots. And again, that's number 5 for Del Pozo.
Grabe. Russell Del Pozo going ballistic here in the second half.
And all of a sudden, it's now up to 18 points ang lead nila dito.
48-30. Our score, timeout on the floor. We will be right back.
Si Murphy Salo, 20 years old, Apalit, I love it. Tutukan nyo kami sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
Let's take a look at this lakas shot of the quarter brought by CDO Foods Beer. Food that brings you home from Russell Del Pozo. Actually, shots yan, Coach Pancho. Dahil back-to-back threes na naman siya.
Right. And grabe yung run ng Apalit. I love it doon. Combination of inside points, transition, and outside shooting. Wow.
So far, 2 points pa lang ang nai-score dito ng Familia Washington DC. Gilas swings it to Francis. 3 straight threes ba to for Apalit? No go. For Francis, maalat na maalat si Francis de la Cruz, Coach Pancho.
Yes. And yung ginagawa dito ng Apalit, I love it. Simple drive and kick lang. Simple drive and kick. George Diamante leading it.
It's gonna be a foul whistle here on Suma. More bad news para dito sa panig ng Pamilya Washington DC dahil Moore Alaws now back on the floor. Also Elijah UC. So UC and Del Pozo both on the floor. 2 shooters with 2 of their best passers, Diamante and Alaw, di ba?
Yes. So George Diamante will now be back dun sa ilalim, ha?
Pero good seal by Eligado. Yun nga lang, offensive foul.
Yes,
Oh
so-
no! They say a holding foul.
Yeah, no offensive foul.
Oo. Yung buong team na Apalit, akala nila offensive, bumababa na. But let's take a look at this. Oh, clearly, there you go. There's...
Oo.
Nauna yung kapit bago yung tulak ni Eligado ng Coach Pancho. Del Pozo will get a rest here. Well-deserved.
So imagine itong Apalit I Love It, Diamante and Moore Prince Alaw at the same time. Medyo a different strategy naman to. Mag-slide down na naman si George Diamante to sa natural spot niya. And Moore Prince Alaw, one of the best when it comes to setting up his teammates.
Yes.
That's why he's the leading assist man dito for Apalit I Love It. So alam mo na ang mangyayari dyan. Si Moore Prince Alaw na mag-set up. And then those 2 bigs, eto. And si George Diamante.
Let's not forget, Moore was one of the top 3 best passers in the entire region of Asia. Nagkaroon siya ng stint for the Gilas 18 under. Diba? He was number 3. Number 1 si J House, Jared Bahay. Number 2 was a Chinese basketball player. And then number 3, no, I don't mean any offense. Please do not cancel me or anything. Pero diba, I just don't know the player's name. Pero diba, there was a Chinese national team player there at number 2 sa assist. And then number 3, si Moore, playing with 1 leg kasi may hamstring injury pa siya nung naglalaro. That is impressive, di ba, Coach Pancho, di ba?
Oo naman, yes. And yun talaga to si Moore Prince Alaw talaga. He's playing a guard position. But before that,
Kasi ngayon, ibigay natin kay Francine Capili for her report on Kyle Sunga of Familia, Washington, D.C. France?
A fun fact for you, Enzo and Coach Pancho, Kyle Sunga's family in the Philippines is actually from Pampanga. So he has a lot of family from Pampanga watching and supporting him right now. And I asked him how he handles the expectations of his family, not just here in the Philippines, but also abroad to play as well. And he said that there's definitely a lot of expectations, but it's only because his family always wants to see him do well and succeed no matter where he is. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Francine. As in pala, may Kapampangan heritage pala tong si Sunga, di ba?
yes, that's why he's so pumped up playing here dito inside the Bensigia Convention Center because marami rin pala siyang supporters dito kasi hometown din pala niya to. But before that, grabe yung long 3-pointer dito ni Anthony Pineda.
Yung reaction natin dalawa yung nakakatawa eh. But Anthony Pineda giving some life dito sa Familia DC. That's just their 5th point of this quarter, Coach Pancho. And we're nearly 7 minutes into this quarter already. What a pass by Moore. And Jimenez.
You know, for Familia DC, whenever Moore Prince Alaw has the ball, watch out for the off-ball movements
Yes.
of his teammates.
Right here, Dural. Good challenge there on the layup. Bola pa rin ng Familia DC. They're really dominating the offensive rebounds.
but, you know, the percentage of the conversions. And ito, naagaw ni Elijah UC.
Good pass by UC to Lug. Tumintis nga lang yung layup. Kamot ulo na silang dalawa dun.
Nailang siya dun sa kay Medroso. Kasi haba eh.
A counter steal again by UC. Elijah on the run. Tried to drop it off to Drew. Former teammates and sa Bullpups.
Sayang. He could have taken that shot.
Yes.
Too unselfish that time.
Di sila nagkaamoy yun. Former teammate yun sa NU. Sa Nazareth, di ba?
Tsaka masikip eh. Dalawang redshirt yung nandun eh.
Another stop here for Apalit. I love it.
Yeah, feeling ko itong Familia DC is starting to feel the pressure dito.
And UC couldn't get the roll.
Wow.
Jimenez cleans it up.
Grabe. Parang kalawit rebound yung ginawa ni Drew Jimenez doon.
Gusto niyang i-replicate yung ginawa ng kanyang Bullpup teammate na si Curl Figueroa na naka-qualify na sa finals. Yes. Tama si Com Rodney, idol.
Hindi, si Com Rodney ang idol ko. Ito,
Idol
tawagan
natin
namin eh. Pero sa totoong buhay, talagang
Idol yan.
idol ko yan. Totoo. Coach Rodney yan eh. Coach Rodney yan eh.
You can see right here, ang literal na lakas grab of the quarter against two defenders pa yun, ha? Brought to you by Full Tech Philippines Incorporated. Gulat ako against two defenders pa lang. From our angle, parang isa lang. But again, di ba, idol ko rin yan si Com Rodney again. You know, yung talk niya sa akin after the tryout nga, di ba yung story na yun, made me change course and reason why I'm here, di ba, Coach Pancho?
Yes, and speaking of idol, that's the reason why itong mga players ng Apalit, I love it. Di ba? Medyo, hindi pala medyo, talagang inspired, di ba? 4-0 sa group, di ba? Sa group B, undefeated. They are so inspired because siyempre ina-idol nila Encho Serrano,
Yes.
Justin Baltasar. Kaya yung mga coaches nila ngayon, di ba? They want to, you know, gusto nilang maabot, di ba, yung mga narating nila. And they're in a good way dito kasi nga nag-guide sila ng isang Encho Serrano at Justin Baltasar.
The current stars are looking after the future stars, di ba? What a pass there by Moore, doing to Drew Jimenez.
Yes, and I'm sure Drew Jimenez has learned a lot from Justin Baltasar when it comes to post move and moving inside the paint. That's why he's dominating inside the Shane and Dane.
Nakita mo nga kanina, Coach Pancho, 17 under, di ba? Balti and Danan. Ay, sorry. Balti, Danan, and Vergara, di ba? Kitang-kita natin yung imprint ni Balti sa dalawang yun. Moore wants a pick from Drew. Behind the back,
what
wala
a
to
pass.
UC.
What a pass by Moore Prince Alaw.
And Mr. Sexy Shot 2.0 gets the basket.
Elijah Yushi with a one-hander that time. Great finish from this young man.
Pero bumawi naman. What a pass din from Pineda to Diciembre.
Grabe yung reverse na Diciembre na yun, ha? Si Sean Diciembre.
I feel like you're gonna say something later about his name. As another backdoor cut, UC puts it up and in.
Back-to-back basket by Elijah UC. Oh, there's a whistle.
Yes, away from the ball, you foul. It's Masibak. You can see Moore with his new hair color. Tingnan natin ito. Great job with the misdirection right here. Ang ating lakas assist of the quarter brought to you by SM South Mall. We got it all for you.
Yes.
Talagang all for you talaga eh, no? Lahat pwedeng magawa, mabigay dun sa South Mall.
Pero parang sa isang tao mo lang sinasabi yan, eh.
Sa lahat. Lahat ng mga kasinag natin. Siyempre, di ba? Here at SM nga, di ba? Pero, talaga. Coach Paul, I love you and I hope nakadating ka na sa Cebu on your flight safe. Pero siya yung unang-unang panelist dito na kinanta yung SM team song.
Talaga?
Nilabas-
Bong song?
Hindi yung ano tayo.
Yung line, oo.
Nagulat ako. Well, yun nga, that's what the World Showcase brought us. Dinala yung mga players and their families dito pabalik sa Pilipinas. And it syempre brought me back to my mentor, di ba?
Yes, syempre, binanggit mo si Coach Paul, unang mentor mo, di ba?
Yes.
So, sabi mo, kinanta niya yung line na yun. Paano nga ulit yun?
Ayoko. Hindi ko gagayahin yun.
Oh, more Prince Alaw getting that offensive rebound. Oh, no, it's not more Prince Alaw. Si
Yuri Masibak.
Yuri Masibak.
Kakulay kasi ng buhok.
Kaya nga eh. Pati yung, tingnan mo yung likod ng buhok ko. Parehas ng likod eh.
Isa lang siguro barbero pinagpagupitan na itong dalawa na ito. Sa clear traveling violation there on D-zone. So sabi ko nga yung Boss Ray, Boss, babago ng box si Moore. Sabi niya, ewan ko ba dun? Well, siyempre, Boss Ray and Ma'am Yel, di ba? They're raising more airness and si Dinera as parang be their own person, di ba?
Oo. There's a new player here for Apalit. I love it. Itong number 10, si Jake Hyan Cruz. First time on the floor.
Muntik na yun for Elijah. But what a third period para dito sa Apalit. I love it. I just want to take note that they held etong Pamilya DC, Coach Pancho, to just, I believe, 8 points lang, di ba?
7 points.
7 points. There you go. 7 points in this quarter. And then they exploded on the offensive end. This is the Apalit I love it that we all know and love in this tournament.
Big third quarter. And Pamilya DC actually tried to, has felt the pressure on that quarter. And grabe, talagang they're slowly but surely trying to pull away itong Apalit. I love it. You know, the composure and the veteran players that they have. That's why they have this huge 23-point lead after 30 minutes of action.
58-35 is our score entering the fourth and final quarter.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
This Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Delta Cup is brought to you by Hotel Sogo. So clean, so good, so safe. PA Hotel Sogo VIP member. Just text HSVIP to 225687.
Yun, grabe, no?
Kabisado ko pa rin.
Oo, iba talaga, Enzo. Eto, fourth quarters. Game resumes. Let's see. This is one last chance for Familia DC to make a comeback right here. But they need to score. They need to convert. We knew that they can make a lot of runs and they can make a lot of stops, but they need to do it now.
Yes, Coach Panchos. Bukat who.
Oh, wala pa siya dito.
Yes.
First attempt pa niya lang yun dito.
Especially no record-breaking performance nila when they had 16. Oh, what a block there! What a rejection! Another one! Yun nga lang, third time is a charm for Familia Washington, DC.
Doon bumabawi si Jeremy Bukat dito. Kahit hindi pa siya nakakascore dito because he has his long arms. Doon siya bumabawi sa depensa.
Athletic din kasi siya, di ba, Coach Pancho?
Yes.
Ashton Novillo, the Baliwag star, back on the floor. And good to see him healthy. Di ba natamaan niya ng ilong doon sa Bacolor?
Oo.
Natamaan siya sa ilong, hindi natamaan ng ilong. Sorry.
Pero ngayon, parang okay na. But yun nga, too aggressive that time.
Eight minutes and 47 seconds remaining in this ball game. Pineda attacks. Pineda gets stripped from up top. Pero good thing nandun si JP Manuel for the putback.
Right, so JP Manuel ngayon na nagparamdam ang non-factor in this ball game because he is being, bothered by the bigs of the Apalit. I love it. Ito, this is his time to shine para makapag-contribute, para makabalik ang Familia DC. But what a time to come for Jeremy Bukat to nail his first three-pointer of this ball game.
Yun yung hinahanap natin, di ba, Coach Pancho? Now he answers the call.
Oh, good help defense by Jake Ayan. Krusinahan niya ng lane eh. That's why, tama na, blanca pa ni Jeremy Bukat.
But yun nga lang, napituhan ng foul si Bukat. But we take a look at this once again. Cruz to Bukat for the lakas stress of the quarter brought to by Sun Sport, the official basketball of Sinag Liga Asia.
Yes, yesterday, di ba, sa Bacolor, nakaraming three-pointers yan si Jeremy Bukat.
Yes.
Di ba? Talagang shooter talaga.
And they broke the record, di ba? Let's not forget, they broke the record. 16 three-point makes, di ba? That they now stand alone. Natay ng Lakas California, di ba? Who's now waiting sa finals. They tied it with 14, tied with Santa Rosa Lion Saints. And then, the next game, di ba? 2 games after that, na-break nitong Apalit. I love it.
Oo, ganyan talaga dito. Mabilis ma-break ang mga records.
I thought we agreed, hindi natin gagamitin yung break with. Shattered na nga lang.
Ay, mas matindi yun
I'll think of a different term. Good block right there.
Wow. Swatting away the shot.
Good swat na lang. Na-realize yung sinabi ko. Ashton, 2 seconds, fires. Off the mark and a rebound by Mendroso.
Yes. Oh.
Clear foul there.
That's their 13th foul.
7 minutes and 30 remaining dito. Oh, the clock's not moving, Coach Pancho. There you go, he finally moved.
Ooh, look at that.
Grabe naman itong atake na yun ni Disyembre.
Oh, grabe. 1 month. July pa lang ngayon. 1 month away. Alam mo, bare months na pero nagpaparamdam ka agad. Inaatake na ni Disyembre yung loob doon.
Sabi ko doon.
Sabi mo na yan. Yung leaping ability ni Disyembre doon. Meron na naman.
And again, Latoga Putting on the accelerator pedal for
Yes,
McLaren.
The small ball of Familia DC, doing some damage right here for Apalit. I love it. Resulting for a lot of transition points.
And Masibak, oh! What a block again by Diciembre.
Yes, look at, ito yung energy kanina ng Familia DC ng first half.
Yes. Novillo fires. Off the mark for Ashton.
Look, they're forcing a lot of outside shots and forced shots dito for Apalit. I love it. Kasi nga, ito, nanumbalik yung energy ng Familia DC. Especially mention ko yung triggers nito. And this one, Sean Diciembre.
And they go back to Diciembre all the time for that layup,
Yes.
Coach Pancho.
That quick first step by Sean Diciembre, making us feel that it's like a holiday here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center.
You take a look at this. Once again, yung atake na yan ni Diciembre. The finger roll through the middle. 4 quick points now for him. And a 6-0 run para dito sa Familia Washington DC who are down 61-43. Back here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. As we can see, the Isaac family, Coach Leo Isaac, Ma'am Pia Isaac informed, Isaac in attendance right here. Isa na lang kulang eh.
Hinahanap ka, di ba?
Oo. Isa na lang kulang eh. Wala si Manman
Wala
eh.
si Manman.
Oo. Manman, kung nasan ka man.
Oh,
what a
no look
pass! What a pass from Diamante!
Wow. Hey, that was a well-designed play,
But I'm pretty sure hindi sinabi ni Coach Jane na behind the head yun. At hindi rin ngumiti si George.
Ako for sure, pina-practice na yan.
Oo. As Del Ponzo.
Long
Way
shot.
downtown. Kita mo even yung pagtakbo niya, pababa, parang Steph Curry talaga, Coach Pancho, di ba?
Idol na idol.
Oo. The number, even yung tape dito sa kamay, di ba, sa wrist. Diamante escapes everybody there. Look at that pass to Franchos. Yun nga lang, umapak si Franz.
Oo. More Prince Alaw, George Diamante, the leading 2-assist man for Apalit. I love it. Totoo. Grabe. Sana mo may mata sa likod.
Take a look at this once again, ang ating last drive of the quarter. Brought to you by CDO Foods, mere food that brings you home. Buti na lang ready dun si Macaldo, Coach Pancho.
Grabe ito si George Diamante, fooling his defenders that time. Yes. Ito. Grabe, ang daming opportunities dito ng Familia DC. But, hindi nila nakakapitalize. Ang daming offensive rebounds pero hindi sila nakaka-convert.
There's a miss there. Diamante with another rebound. George. Good bullet pass. Tilang na salo. Yun ang Magic Johnson pass, Coach Pancho.
I can see it coming kasi yung pag-cut dito ni Ralph Macaldo. Kaya lang, medyo hindi pa siya ready doon. Kung mas binilisan niya yung takbo, nakuha niya yung pass na yon.
Yun yung Magic Johnson na pass, no, Coach Pancho eh. A good challenge right there, pero nonetheless, a basket pa rin for Kyle Sunga.
Wow. Quick jab, quick first step dito. Naisahan doon si George Diamante.
Of course, playing in front of his home province, di ba?
Watch out for his teammates.
Yes, let's see. Diamante pulls up. That's the next level for George Diamante to develop, di ba, Coach Pancho? Yun yung next step para sa kanya to become a superstar that he is destined to be.
Yes, yun yung ginawa ng Familia DC. Binantayan niya yung mga teammates. Kaya siya napilitan siya tumira from the outside.
Sige, sabi niya, sige ako natitira. Ball is loose on the
Look
ground.
at the hustle. Oh, McLaren, Latoga. So hot in the first half, but come ng third quarter, medyo nag-struggle. Ito, nagpaparamdam siya na siya rito sa fourth, which is badly needed. They're down by 14 points.
Yes, and Diamante, again, they're gonna give him a pick. They swing it to the corner. Franchos. Extra pass. Gilas, the jumper. Off the mark. Diamante with another rebound. George. No-look pass niyan. Nabasang-basa doon ang Familia DC. Washington, D.C.
So Sean Diciembre papalitan dito. Quality minutes for Sean Diciembre, scoring 6 points.
Yes.
And not only that, is also hounding the guards of Apalit I Love It.
3 minutes and 33 natitira sa ating laro. Apalit I Love It are trying to protect this 14-point lead, Coach Pancho, to book their ticket to the finals.
Oh, Jason Miao, pinasok na rito. First time on the floor.
Idol ka daw. Pedroso misses the jumper. Diamante wisely says, kalma lang tayo.
Yes, ito. Kaya nilagay dito si Jefferson Miao para bulabugin itong si George Diamante because George Diamante has been toying with his defenders.
And papasok ito si Charles Dural, palit ng sentro. Ang gagawin na ito ng Apalit I Love It.
Yes. So tignan natin yan yung Charles Dural, mahilig yan sa dunker spot.
And right now, let's turn it over to Francine Capili for her report on the Diamond George Tibus Diamante.
Unfinished business is what the diamond of the season, George Diamante, calls this game. Kahit daw may pagod, just like yesterday, he's still ready to give his 100%. Kung kahapon, hindi pa daw siya pagod and scored 25 points. This time, kahit may onting pagod, he'll do his best to contribute even more than he did yesterday to give back to the support and the love that the fans of Apalit has been giving them. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Francine. And kahapon di pa daw siya pagod, 25 points. Ngayon may konting pagod pa siya. Ganyan pa rin laro niya.
Oo. Konting pagod.
Konting pagod.
Ito, medyo napako tayo dito sa scoring because both teams are missing on their shots.
As you say that.
As you say that. Until that basket.
You jinxed it.
Hey, it's not done yet.
Yes, 11 na lang.
Oo. 11-point lead.
That's why Diamante very aggressive. Oh! He got kneed behind the head.
Kasi ang ganda ng pagkaka-fake ni George doon.
Oo, pero di naman sinasadya ni Medroso eh.
Oo, kaya in-acknowledge kagad ni Medroso yun. He immediately approached George Diamante who smiled at him.
He got Jorge Masvidal, no, Coach Pancho, behind the head. Yes. Diamante knocked down the first free throw.
Yeah, Coach Mike Pineda feeling, not contented but, is still upbeat with his chances right here. Then nakitaan niya ng hope itong Familia DC because of that run.
Ito, and again, 2 minutes and 10. Pwede pa to. Especially with a three-pointer right here. Oh, good and good box out there by Francis. George spins away from the defenders. Diamante passes to Dural. Charles lost the basketball in midair.
He lost the balance right there. Medyo malalim yung pagkakakuha niya ng pasa galing kay George Diamante. But nevertheless, they'll keep the possession.
And Coach Jay Sierra, iuupo si Diamante. Pinasok si Eligado.
Yes, and look at that. Coach Encho Serrano and Coach Justin Baltasar pares na nakatayo dun sa sidelines ng Apalit I Love It. Barking out some instructions.
Nakawa ko dun sa mga nasa likod ni Balti.
Hindi makita, no? Oo.
Del Pozo.
Yes, it's nice to see the 1-2 punch of Pampanga Giant Lanterns now guiding all these players, di ba?
Yes.
They're dead serious. Look at them.
Dahil nga on the run. Wow, what a finish right there by Jefferson Miao.
Down to a 10-point lead. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Matagal pa to. Especially Familia DC who's been scrambling with their defense. But yet, effective.
Ito. Eligado, the center, is now dribbling the ball. They say foul on the ground daw. You can see right here ang ating lakas fast break of the quarter brought to you by Hotel Sogo. So clean, so good, so safe.
I like that. Na-miss ko sa iyo, Enzo, ha? Yung ganong lines.
Right now, we have a timeout on the floor. Just a 10-point lead for Apalit I Love It. A minute and 14 natitira sa ating laro.
Clothing shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Once again, you can see ang mga officials of Apalit by Pampanga, led by Mayor Jude Tetanco, and of course, Sir Glenn Danting.
Yes, ang kanilang team manager, of course, John Tetanco. Siyempre, yung mga season coaches, Fer Gardiner, Robert Pereira, at si Edgar Pingol. Rin naman serious sila doon in helping out Coach Encho Serrano and Justin Baltasar on the sidelines together with Coach Jay Serra. Ito, quick foul.
Hindi pa penalty, pareho po. Penalty na pala, pareho
Yes.
kupunan. Ashton knocks down the first free throw.
Look at the crowd right here inside the Brensigia Convention Center. Diba? Parang yung iba, parang look of concern eh. Kasi marami ring fans dito yung Familia DC, of course. Yan yung mga family ni Kyle Sunga. Ay, Kyle Sunga,
yes.
tama.
Pineda, Sunga, right on cue. Off the mark nga lang, Medroso with the board. Three-pointer again.
Oh.
This time it's McLaren Latoga.
Yes. They should go for a clean steal and then quick foul. Yun sana ginawa nila kanina. Hindi nila nakuha yung clean steal kanina. Off the inbound, quick foul. Dali mo sa free throw. Let's see kung mag-win-test and then, box out. That's the only thing to do right now for the Familia DC.
Yes. So let's see if Ashton misses on the first one.
Yeah, they should capitalize on that.
Pineda
0 out of 2 or split charities. Get the rebound, convert. And then quick foul.
0 for 2 for Ashton.
Yun nga lang. Sabi ko, get the rebound. Oo.
And again, their foul. Ito si Novillo. Play the percentage, di ba, Coach Pancho?
4 fouls na si Medroso dito. So a chance to redeem.
There you go.
Yeah. Himself. Back to a double-digit lead, Enzo.
Yes. This could possibly be some dagger free throws, no, Coach Pancho, to seal the deal. Pero yun nga lang, Novillo again misses the free throw. Quick trigger three-pointer for Pineda, no good.
Again, ang dami talaga nilang offensive rebounds dito for Familia DC.
Sunga, this will be huge.
Yeah! Down to 7, Enzo.
Yes.
Quick foul.
No time to relax as Gilas. Oh, wise play. And Francis gets tied up there.
Yes, he just wanted to stop the ball. Pero what a breakaway that time for Apalit. I love it. Bigla pa lang may libre dun sa kabilang side of the court, di ba? Big shot for Kyle Sunga.
Let's take a look at this once again. Yung tres kanina ni Latoga.
And
right here. Kay Sunga.
Oo, na hindi lang natuloy, no?
Yes.
Pero, syempre, big basket yun sa kanila.
2 out of 2 for the pride of Lubao, Pampanga.
Quick baskets. 2 or 3.
They're taking a lot of time right now, Coach Pancho. From way downtown, off the mark. Miao cleared the rebound, and this is going to be a victory for Apalit. I love it na, Coach Pancho.
With only 12.2 seconds remaining, up by 9, and then may free throws pa dito for Francis de la Cruz.
What a victory for Apalit. I love it. That's now 5 consecutive victories for them in this World Showcase, Coach Pancho. Can they make a clean sheet? Parang perfect this entire tournament. 6-0, di ba? Kaya ba?
Yes, ang gandang matchup nito for tomorrow. It's gonna be Apalit, I love it, and versus the Lakas California.
Yes. That'll do it na. Apalit, I love it, sets up a rematch against Lakas California. The opening day matchup natin sa 19-under tournament. They will see each other once again, but let's not forget to thank itong Familia Washington, D.C. Of course, Coach Eric Quintana, Coach Mike Pineda, Coach Jay Buholano, Coach Raymond Latoga, Coach Jason Olivares, and the rest of the players and families neto mga lumaro dito sa Familia Washington, D.C.
Wow, huge respect and salute to Familia DC. What a showing that they gave here. They really showcased those young ballers' talents here inside the SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. And for Apalit, I love it. Again, undefeated. Congratulations, well-deserved. A date for tomorrow with Lakas, California.
Yes, and kumpleto na nga ang ating field, Coach Pancho. Bukas po, 4 na finals games ang mapapanood natin from 4 different divisions. But right now, the moment belongs to Apalit. I love it. And now kasama na si Francine Capili, ang ating Sinag Best Player of the Game. Francine, take it away.
I'm here with our Sinag Best Player of the Game from Apalit. I love it, Rogie Del Pozo with 19 points and 3 rebounds. First of all, congrats sa inyo on making it to the finals. Kahit naging close ang game noong first half, you were able to dominate the game at nakuha ang panalo. How were you able to do this?
Nag-focus lang kami sa kung anong sistema ng coach namin. Tapos tinuloy-tuloy lang namin yung run ng plays namin, nung system namin.
Ngayon, the next stop is the championship tomorrow. Ano pa ang pwede namin ma-expect from your team?
Yun lang. Magpo-focus kami sa defense bukas dahil nakalaban na namin yun. And mag-expect ng mga fans na mas iigihan pa namin para manalo para sa Apalit.
Ngayon, baka meron ka mga gustong batiin at pasalamatan.
Binabati ko unang-una si Lord na binigay sa amin yung panalo na to, and si Mayor, yung mga sumusuporta sa Team Apalit, and sa mga parents ko sa Baliwag, and sa mga sumusuporta sa Apalit and sumusuporta sa akin, lalong-lalo na kay Boss K, sa mga pinsan ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, lalong-lalo na yung mga Mapua Red Robins.
Again, Rogie Del Pozo, our Sinag Best Player of the Game. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Francine. And once again, congratulations to Russell Del Pozo and the rest of Apalit. I love it for qualifying for the finals, setting up a rematch with the Lakas, California. And Coach Pancho, your final thoughts of this semifinals round?
Wow, very, very exciting, and talagang I'm so grateful and proud that I've covered this games here inside this Brenzigao Convention Center, SLA Junior World Showcase, Delta Cup, and Apalit. I love it. We'll face the Lakas, California, and grabe, I'm so thankful. It was a huge pleasure for me. And then I'm so excited for tomorrow's finals.
Yes, Coach Pancho. Kaya nga mga Sinag, tutok po dahil bukas, it's the final day ng ating SLA Junior World Showcase as we put to a close itong semifinals round natin. Bukas na nga po ang finals ng 15, 17, 19, and 23 under natin. But that ends the semifinals round dito for Coach Pancho Alfonso, Francine Capilin on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Tanan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Ramonito Roa, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the Brenzigao Convention Center. This has been your Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. We are saying goodbye and good night.